Well, hello Dualtron X fans. Today we have a special project waiting for us. Dualtron X's are some of the most amazing scooters, probably in my eyes, the most amazing scooter out there. Very powerful, great range, amazing suspension, very comfortable, looks great. It's a head turner. However, tires are ready to be replaced and I wanted to try something new. I wanted to try an off-road tire. This will probably be the first Dualtron X on YouTube with a off-road tire. So I do have Magura on here and these are some pretty thick brakes, so we'll see if this works. If not, if it's gonna require some modifying, which I sadly suspect it might, especially in the front. This one here, I recessed this down, I drilled it down and pushed the caliper down where that guy right there is not against the tire, but in the front, that's not the case. So, first time trying to replace a tire on a Dualtron X, everybody removes the wheel. I'm gonna try to do it without removing the wheel, just by pulling the tire out. Try to put this guy on and see what happens. I'm pretty excited. It's a little bit wider, as you guys can see, than the stock tire. Well, a lot wider, I guess. Well, no, not really. So I'm gonna have to put it on, make sure that it fits properly, it doesn't rub. It's the same size. Let me see if you guys can see it. It's the same size as the stock tire, but the shape is a little different. So it's a 125, 67, 125, 67. Got these from AliExpress. I thought they looked flimsy on AliExpress. I didn't think they're gonna be solid. These things are pretty strong, man. These are probably gonna offer some sick grip off-road. And this motorcycle, I mean, here's a motorcycle here, but this motorcycle, man, would probably do amazing with some off-road tires. So I'm gonna get to work on it and see what's the best way to go about it. And if I figure out how to put it on without taking the wheel off, I will do a video on how to install it in the back. All right, see you guys pretty soon.